can't live in a tenement, I can't hide it in a tenement. Carry me aki, go all instead market, not a quality what sell. Ha! Father, I offer my fruit to you. How will you go with that? You not like it? I just think that. Father, see some top-notch sheep's tail. Can call it oxtail if you want. Yeah, fix up one of that for me. Oh, yes, man. Having her going. To go. All right. Cain, my brother, how you stay? Ha! Brother! Good boy. Kill me, I will kill you today. Hey. Cain, where's your brother? I don't know. Him blood cry out to me from the earth. I don't have a clue what you're talking about. You are now cursed. Then how you deal with me so bad? No. Vagabond. Arms house that you know. Do you take my breath? Hello. God say you really can't eat nothing around here. It's just one tree we can't eat off of. Because if we eat off of it, we will surely die. You won't die. You will become like a god. So we won't die, we will be like gods. Yeah. Addy. Yeah? Come here quick, come taste this. Babes, this tastes good, man. You couldn't tell me say something I walk up and down in the garden naked as the day me born. All me too. My wife go get some twig and put on my body. Adam! From when me a call, you not answer me. Don't show me the naked and thing me never do want. How you know say you're naked? Did you eat from the tree of knowledge of good and evil? Woman, what you give me, you know? You see all you? Cursed you are. Your seed will bruise the heel of the woman's seed. But you say the woman's seed, it a go mash up your head. I, Miss Eve, you gonna have baby in a whole heap of pain. And you, Mr. Adam, cursed is the ground for thy sake. Take this thing for. The thing I drop me I make. Mary, I bake one cake for you. You bake one cake? I bake it from scratch. How you bake cake and we don't have no oven? So you see how that sound? Joseph, nobody with me this morning, yeah, man. Nobody me peace this morning. I just want to know if you understand how it sound. I don't say a jacket or anything like that, you know. No, man, I believe you know, because I remember say, the angel when he come and tell me, say, I'm the son of man. The man them I say, me fi stone you and all sort of some man. And I make them know, say, me not stone my woman. My brethren them I say, oh, me make you turn me in a yammed. But I want me do some bad now and say, Rogo, the angel appeared to me in a my dream. Laughing spoil. He can't touch you while you're pregnant with the baby. No, nothing still. I don't know nothing still. That's not a big deal. Me know say, and me chosen to be the father of the Savior. A big something that you know. Everything alright, Mary. I'm want to know say me there for you, my girl. Yo, night come down fast, see, man. Brother, you watch the star? Man, me have it, man. Me not take me out fighting. I know the star that coffee. See it right there, so me lock on pan it, man. That's the moon, see the star over there, so. Jesus have mercy. Hey, you're fooling up. Or them really manage call you wise man. And we'll run late already. Mary, but Mary, you draw down and look good same way after you have baby, man. Greetings, Mary. Messiah, everybody, respect Joe. May I beg you a cool drink of ice water, you see? Okay, sure. Here, my darling, we'll bring some gifts for you. Some gold, frankincense, and double. Here you go, Sister Mary. Oh, thank you. That's very thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. Okay. What a lady favor, Joseph. Me is not a baby, me at all. Jesus. Don't mind him at all. Sister Mary, well, I don't know, yeah? Alright, good. Take care of yourself, yeah? And if anything, call me. Okay. Hey, when I hear me? When I go back and know king, you know, come we go the other way.
Leave it alone. Hallelujah. Hi. Sarah is there for me.
The man will drive ladder, I'm not my grandfather, but I hear me with a radar. When I put this in, I pray that you multiply 50-fold. Lord God.
Nicodemus went to Jesus by night. Hallelujah.
Bless your name, Father. Bless your name. I bless you, Father.
Say David kill you, Uriah, feed him why?
my seat, you know, because I sit there every Sunday. The fans are on, then I wish you go and suffer. Then anybody no can sit down whichever place they want to sit down. No make it bad your Mavis because that's what she's doing. Sister Mavis, how you doing? Morning, Sister Blossom. Morning, Sister Blossom. Turning resident. They always come back and come go and like say they're better than people.
How you doing, Sister Blossom?
Oh, I am blessed and highly favored, Sister Margaret. Filled with the glory of the Lord. I'm telling you. I don't know how come some people are not as blessed as me. And I tell you, the Lord just keeps shining down his blessings upon me. And
no, me I gotta learn. Sister Blossom.
Just a second, Sister Mavis. I'm ministering.
Watch
here. Sister Blossom, your slipper shoe up. Your slip now have no grip. Or you left out of your house and your slip look like it's still one the back of the house. You have mirror for your face, but you don't have mirror for your slip. You there Kingston and your slip there carrying down. God never bless you with how to put on your slip this morning. You're blessed and highly flavored. What happened to your slip? That not blessed. You digital and your slip still analog. You aboard airplane and your slip aboard train. Oh, you come pop style and your slip a show. Haul up your slip. Mary, my girl. Mary, oi. How are you do you again? Oh, you anger myself. But just last week, me and you talk. How the belly? Where you come for? Tell me say a twin me I go out. Man, cause what me I say is Christmas a come. I am very aware. So me I say, if you not send down some stuff for your family, them and so, to help them renovate the house and them things. Renovate house? Joseph! Don't mix me! Joseph saying not send down nothing if you go build up nobody house here because the last time the middleman thief out down to the milk out of Joseph car. Like how you is diaspora somebody. Diaspora? Yeah, because of Nazareth you there. And Galilee a foreign same. Oh, true. If you want build up, fix up and nice up down a yard this Christmas. Yeah, me want send down some stuff for Elizabeth. Joseph, the internet a work? Me plug you out. Me have internet in a me. Elizabeth live a country that Gabriel. Evening, sir. Wagwan. One room for two, please. Or three. Depends on how things go. I want to me hear about from way around, so I want you to know, say the inn full up, you know. Full? Me like said nobody no want another yard. I think you can work out a thing for you. See, if you did come a little earlier, make you never come yesterday. Or if you know so if you come yesterday, boss, you should have called me. You know, say nothing to me about it. I you know, say me have the link for what go on round. Yes, sir. Mary, come here. Hold on, friend. Hold on, man. Me have a manger round at the back like this. Shut up, Franco. Mary, you can work with that? Yeah, I can work with it. That's why I love you, saying, because you're a humble girl, you know. And you never yet disgrace me, you know, baby. Come give me a chops. No, I can't touch you before the baby born on you. Well, I know that, Mary. Joseph. So that woman you see, man. Just give me 5 bills. 5 bills? Yo, come on, yeah. Hold on, friend, how you move? Just give me 3 bills. Alright, we work with it. Franco. Make sure you spread off your head and I make them can lay down good and nice and something. Alright, Mary, come here, my girl. Miss Mary, all the best with your birth, miss. Love and respect. Yes, manners. Sir. If anything, you call me. Saying, cool. If anything, me make you know.
Me say me under the blood, me say me under the blood. Jesus cover me under the blood, me say me under the blood. Jesus, you can cover me under the blood. In the morning when me wake up, and the blood that Jesus me take up. And when me feel like me, I go break up, put the blood on me face just like a makeup. Fighting against three terrible enemy. The world, Satan and myself against me. One day anointing pour it on me and make me trample the devil on it. Say, under the blood. Under the blood.
Sing the wondrous love of Jesus. Sing His mercy and His grace in the